The Driver Information Center, or DIC, is a menu-based system that controls your vehicle's digital displays. You can access the DEC using buttons on the steering wheel or the trip odometer reset button on the instrument cluster. The DIC lets you customize displays for speed, temperature, and fuel efficiency units. Make sure you're familiar with your Trax's DC controls before making changes. Start your Trax and ensure it's in Park E or Neutral N. Locate the DIC controls. Press and hold the trip odometer reset button or use the menu button on the steering wheel. Cycle through the DIC options until you see vehicle information or directly units. Once you've located the units menu, select it. Choose the metric option. This will switch the speed display to kmh along with other units like temperature to Celsius. Confirm your selection if prompted. After switching units, the instrument cluster should immediately update to display speed in kilometers per hour. Watch the speedometer change from MPH to kms per h. Look at your instrument cluster. The speed reading should now show in kmh instead of MPH. If the display doesn't update immediately, try restarting your vehicle. Turn the key to off, wait a moment, then start again. Finally, check that other units have also switched to metric. Temperature should display in Celsius and distance measurements in kilometers. Important safety considerations. Always perform unit changes when the vehicle is parked to avoid any distractions while driving. This ensures you can focus on the DIC navigation without taking your attention from the road. The unit change is entirely software-based and completely reversible. You can easily switch back to miles per hour at any time by following the same DIC menu steps, making it a flexible option for different needs. Remember that if your vehicle is equipped with a navigation system, those units might need to be adjusted separately through the navigation setup menu to ensure consistency across all displays. If you encounter issues during the unit change process, the most common problem is a DIC glitch after a battery replacement. When the vehicle's battery is replaced or disconnected, the instrument cluster may lose power and reset to default settings, typically showing MPH instead of your preferred kmh. When this happens, the speedometer will display MPH again, even if you previously changed it to kmh. This is a normal behavior due to power loss affecting the cluster's memory. The solution is simple. Just repeat the unit change process through the DEC menu. Navigate back to the unit setting and select metric again. The change will take effect immediately. In rare cases, you might experience an instrument cluster malfunction, such as the display not responding, flickering, or failing to save settings. This could indicate a hardware issue with the cluster itself. If this occurs, do not attempt DIY repairs. Instead, consult a certified Chevrolet mechanic or visit a dealership service center. They can diagnose and repair the cluster, which may require reprogramming or replacement. Looking ahead, newer vehicles are embracing advanced customization options. Many now allow unit changes through smartphone apps or integrated digital interfaces, making the process more convenient and connected. While the 2013-2017 Trax relies on the traditional Driver Information Center for these adjustments, the automotive industry is shifting toward fully digital instrument clusters. These modern systems provide seamless integration with vehicle software and user profiles. Another key trend is the move toward global metric standardization. As vehicles become more international and electric, expect to see metric units like kmh becoming the default in many markets, reducing the need for manual changes altogether.